Hello and welcome to
Happy Kids Toys.
Happy Kids Toys, and today we're gonna play with these numbers.
It's big Lego.
It's big Lego, double Lego. We're gonna go from number 1 to 9. Learn to count. So we're gonna do Isaiah's homework, and 0 will be here. So that is, yeah, the 0 is separate. So we got all the numbers in here, and we're gonna put them together. Yes, Isaiah? Cool, let's do it. Okay, so we need the box to see where everything goes. Fantastic. So here's the box. So we're gonna start. So that's the first one. And then yeah, so we are following. We're gonna build up the big Lego. Okay, then what's next? So the orange. So we're gonna put the orange. So we're gonna learn colors too. That's the color. Which color is that one? Green. Blue. Green. Orange. Yes. And next, what we're gonna need?
Also green.
Another green. That's beautiful. Yeah. So we're gonna put them together.
Like a pattern.
It's like what?
A pattern. Because it repeats colors.
Yeah, repeat colors, a pattern. And what's the next color?
It's blue.
Blue. So we got blue in here, and we're gonna put it back there. The color is it blue or pink? Blue. So now we're gonna build up the front of the train. So we got one part already of the train. So we need to put another one.
And there's a little man that goes inside, but I'm not gonna do it.
Okay.
I put it on.
Yes. And then what else?
Wow.
We're gonna start with the number
Wow.
1. And then what's the next number?
2.
Number 2. So let's learn to count. Let's find what's number 3. What's the next number?
4.
Number 4. Oh, we don't know what's the next number. Do you? I don't know. Check behind the box.
Right. Oh. Now it's
Okay,
5.
number 5. And next? What's gonna be the next number?
6.
Number 6. Yeah, let's start again from the beginning. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what's the next number?
7.
7. Wow, so you know how to count. Oh, but I cannot see number 7. Yeah, but I cannot see number 7.
What?
No, it's invisible. Oh, so we have to put it the other way around. And then what's the next number? It came out of the parachute, this number. Is it?
Yeah, it came out from the parachute.
It came out of the parachute.
Come in.
What's this number?
Now.
Number 9.
Now we just have to put the
Okay, so let's see if we're gonna make it similar like this one. So what's the next color?
It's orange.
Orange. And then what's gonna be the next color?
Green.
Green.
Then
And then
blue.
blue. Which one is your favorite color?
Orange and blue.
Orange and blue. Okay, so now we have this. You don't like that green?
Yeah, I don't like that green, but this green.
You prefer that green? Yes, beautiful.
That looks like glowing green.
You think that one glows in the dark?
No.
No. Okay. Let's find out what else do we need. I think there's a cat. And there's what else on the box? Did you find the cat? What? You sure it goes there? Or you can put anywhere you want. Oh, Mr. Cat, meow, meow.
Then he's gonna jump inside here.
That is the driver of the train. Okay, and the little girl, where do you want to put the girl? She's jumping on the train. Okay, now the driver's gonna go. Where's he gonna go? He's gonna go to the zoo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I know how to count. That's the numbers. Yeah, the numbers appear again. So now the numbers gonna come on the other side. Oh!
Well, it's gonna turn again.
You're the driver.
It's gonna turn again and again and again.
Okay, let's count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
10.
11, 20.
Yeah, no, we didn't get there. We only gotta go to 10. Okay?
Oh, 9.
9, and then the 0 plus 1, we make it 10. Yeah? So that one is learn to count till 9. Yes, we did it. Fantastic. Thank you for watching our video. Yes, and then we're gonna bring more videos.